Howdy, partners. Today we're gonna do a little double batter.
Oh shit.
Consists of your milk and egg mixture. It's commonly known as egg wash. What we're gonna do is take frog leg, swig of beer, dip it in the first batter. I'm gonna throw that puppy right back in there. Give it a little extra loving. Right back in the sauce. Right back in the batter. Now it's time to party. That's it. Double batter.
Double batter.